10 crores still is a ginormous ticket size. This was in the 1990s. And the beauty of this is that development ended up redefining the entire vicinity. The first serviced apartment hotel took shape right next doors after the delivery of Buckley Court, and it is called Taj Wellington, a place that is an absolute profiles of the set of people buying with us. First, the person who's looking to stay in this path-breaking development and is wanting to experience a one-of-its-kind lifestyle on a day in and day out basis. Let me tell you that we've attracted majority set of people whom we've sold to are set of people who've not looked at this development only from the investment perspective. They've actually said we want to stay here because of various reasons. One, the sense of exclusivity and maximum space utilization. Maximum. Alongside these, we also offer the beautifully crafted 5-bed apartments, sized perfectly at 2077. These again offer grand decks, lifetime views of the garden and the city beyond it. They offer a special product. This ensures that everybody gets a chance. For those who want to do large deals, they have been equitably rewarded. And okay. So exactly what our partners want, we know exactly what works. Can we quickly go back to the screen, please? Thank you. Quickly. Okay. So we said